Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and this is a kind of a special episode. I've got a package here from a company called Treads, and if you guys have been watching the channel, one of my biggest obstacles with most customs is finding the right wheels. And, it gets annoying when you start buying, $5, $6 per Hot Wheel just for the wheels because you're going to cannibalize it. So I figured I'd give this company a try. So I took it out of the box. I undid the bubble wrap, but I haven't opened this up yet. I figured I'd do it now. So it was packaged very well. And it's still packaged very well. And I was really excited to find this company. Stuart Jones, actually, the guy who was helping out with the Kenny Danner auction, turned me on to these guys. And I have high hopes, very high hopes here. I ordered, and I get some free goodies too. Awesome. So let's see what we got. And their website's pretty good. It's all through Facebook, and I will put the link down below as well. So it's a little awkward because you have to kind of order. It brings you to PayPal, and then it brings you back, and then but everything's laid out. It's not that bad for what you get. It's awesome, and the prices are beyond reasonable. Actually, I actually had to message them to find out if it was the price was for 2 wheels or for 4, because it just seemed so good of a price. Oh yeah, look at these. Holy crap. Yeah, this is perfect. They have all different sizes, and they actually list out the cars so you kind of know what they came off of. So I got these big fat meats that are back tires. I believe I ordered, I believe it came as a set, so there should be some small ones here somewhere, I'm not sure. These are the ones I was really psyched about. These full moon discs. These are awesome. Got these 4-wheel drive tires. I got some, these I got for a specific custom I have in mind. It's got the full white wall, torque thrust. Yeah, gasser wheels. I mean, this is just a treasure trove of awesomeness. Here's the other 4-wheel. Again, these all come in sets, so when you see them on their website, don't be alarmed at the low price. It's for a set of 4. There's so many different options to pick from. I had a hard time deciding. So I kept clicking, I'll take one of these, and I'm like, oh, I'll take 2 of those, 2 of those, 2 of those, 2 of those. These are awesome. I kind of half expected some like Chinese knockoff things. These are real Hot Wheels tires. I mean, had to have come off cars. I don't know how he gets them. But he processed the order the next day. It is based overseas. So it does have to clear customs, so it takes about a week to 2 weeks for delivery. Don't be alarmed, it's worth every second of the wait. Yeah, these are awesome. These are exactly what I want. Now I have all the combos I need, and there was more I didn't even order. Yeah, these are the ones, these Steelies, these are freaking awesome. Freaking awesome. Yeah, I get some raised white lettered ones. I got a little bit of everything. Just because I couldn't decide when I was going through, and it all looked good. So, but there's a set right there for gassers, which those are one of my favorite style wheels. Yeah, I'm gonna have to organize all these, but this is awesome. And I was talking to him online, and he said that if I like them and I do a video, which I obviously would anyways, anybody who mentions, I believe he's going to do a discount code for shipping, and I will have that down below, and you'll be able to put that in when you go to checkout, and you'll get free shipping. So that's a win-win. Let's see what's in the goodie bag of freebies. yeah, this solves a lot of my dilemmas. You know, it's so hard because there's a lot of cars I want to build, and then I don't because I just don't have the right combination of wheels, you know, especially the bigs and smalls. Monoblock wheels are awesome, but they're all the same size. With these, you get the selection of the bigs and smalls, which is what I really like. Thins, fats, whatever you want. Yeah, this is just awesome. Pure awesomeness. I can't thank him enough. And I can't thank Stuart Jones enough for actually tipping me off to this guy. So, again, it's Treads. I will have the link to his Facebook page down below. That's where you do all your ordering. And I will also have the discount code for shipping. I'm not 100% sure as of this video because I couldn't wait to open this up. I haven't even talked to him yet. But it's going to be something like Outlaw Speed Shop or Outlaw or something like that. But I'll have it down below by the time I post this video. Make sure you look at that, and definitely hit him up. Man, I'd like to just be a distributor of these things in the United States. This is awesome. These are beyond cool. I mean, there's so many different combinations. You got to go check them out. Oh, those are really cool. I'm like a kid in a candy store. But yeah, check those out. Awesome stuff, man. So anyways, that's it. Figured I'd share this. Anytime I get good info, I try to pass it along. And hopefully this was a fairly short video. I will catch you on the next one.